Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss kcet PYQ integrals chapter short trick number 4. Here in this one we are going to study the partial fraction, how to solve the questions. This method we call it as a cover up rule. Okay. See, in short time how to solve these questions. Okay. So I'm Maltesh Joshi. You are all welcome to this video program. Okay, now here the topic is integrals. This method is cover up method. So here it is applicable where the partial fractions for the linear fractions, wherever linear factors are there it is applicable. See, here it is a high speed approach and it takes just 30 seconds to solve the questions. See, same type questions we see in the 2019 and 2020 they asked the question. Now we are going to learn how to solve these questions with the short trick method. Here they are given integration of 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3 with respect to x is equal to a log of x minus 1 plus b log of x plus 2 plus c log of x minus 3 plus k a b c. Our usual method, if you take, means it will take a few minutes. That's why if you learn this method, it helps to solve the questions easily and quickly. Okay, let us find a value. See here in this question, a into log of x minus 1 plus b of log of x plus 2 plus c of log of x minus 2, like that they given, isn't it? So we want to find the value of x. A. First we want to find the value of a. No, see, we should make this term as 0. How to make this term as 0? X minus 1 is there. No, just to put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1, what happens? This becomes a 0. Now the same value we have to substitute in the left hand side. Here a value, to get a values, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, minus 1 as it is. Here the thing is that x minus 1 is there. Now we have to accept this term x minus 1, we have to substitute x is equal to 1. That is very important. See, accept x minus 1, we have to substitute x is equal to 1 in this expression to get the a value. Now here we have to leave this x minus 1. Now we have to substitute x plus 2. X plus 2 is there. Now x is equal to 1 means how much we'll get? We'll get a 3. And x is equal to 1 is substitute here. 1 into minus 3 is minus 2 will get. So how much will get the answer? Answer is minus 1 by 6. A value is what? A value is minus 1 by 6. Now to find the b values, x plus 2 is there. Put x is equal to put x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2, what happens? This becomes a 0. Here put x is equal to minus 2 here. 2 into 2 minus 4 and minus 1 divided by, here you see x minus 1. Here minus 2 minus 1, how much will get? Minus 3 will get. Okay, and x plus 2 is there. Now we should don't consider this term. X plus 2 we have to leave. Here how we have left is x minus 1 while finding the a values. Here x plus 2 we have to leave in this one, because if you substitute x is equal to minus 2, it becomes a infinity, not defined. So we have to leave that one. Now substitute x is equal to minus 2 here. What will get? Minus 5 will get. So here minus 5 divided by minus 3 into minus 5, how much will get? Minus 1 by 3 will get. See, based on this you can find out the answer directly. Here a is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 6, and b is equal to what? B is equal to minus. Where it is there, you see in the D option is there. Okay, anyhow we'll learn how to find the c values also. Now x minus 3 is there. Now put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3. When you put x is equal to 3, accept this term again. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 minus 1, and here 3 minus 1 is 2, and here 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, now 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 into 5, 5 cancels, 1 by 2. So option D is the answer. In the same way, let us solve the second question. See, here it is occurred in the 2020. Again same method is there. See, what is the rule? What how to find the a values? Here this term we have to make it as 0. See, to make it as 0, what we should put? X is equal to 1 you should put. So a values, to get a values, see, x is equal to 1 except this term, except the first term. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 in the numerator. Denominator 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 will get. And here 1 minus 3 is there. How much will get? that is minus 2 will get. That is 4 divided by 2. So if x value is, a value is 2, we got 1 value got. Okay, now to find the b values, put x is equal to 2, then put x is equal to 2 except the middle term, isn't it? So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 divided by, here 2 minus 1 is 1, okay, and here 1 minus 2 minus 3 is 1. How much will get? We'll get a 5 is a 7. 6 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 7 will get. See, b is equal to 7. 7 is correct, is there? X is equal to 2. Okay, now we'll take the values, c value. How to find the c value? X minus 3 is there. Put c is equal to x is equal to 3 to find the c values except x minus 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is, what will get? 1 will get. So answer is 5. So 2, 7 and 5. 2, 7, 5. How we will get here answer? Answer is 2, 7 and 5. Here x is equal to 2 is there, x is equal to 7 is there. Here 2 we got, 5 we got. 2, 5. Minus 7 is there, plus 5 is there. So here you see x is equal to 2. Is there any mistake? Is there? See here, 2 into minus 1 is minus 1. So it is a minus 7. So answer is option D is the answer for that. Okay, now we'll take the third one. See here, we can apply the direct this method. So what is the third term here? The third term is the third question, that is 2025 it has occurred. When you get the question like this, using this short trick method, you can write the answer directly. See, 1 divided by x plus a into x plus b with respect to dx equal 1 divided by b minus a into log of x plus a divided by x plus b is there. What is a values here? A is 1. What is b values? B value is 2. Now substitute that. 2 minus 1 log of, okay. So log of how much will get here? X plus a, that is x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus c. So this is 1 only. So answer is for this one is option D is the answer. I hope you understood this one. Thank you for watching the video.